Come test drive the 2016 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, driver front passenger heated seats, electronic stability control, CD player, panic alarm, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.